Merry Christmas. Kakaroon pa ng ganong kulay ulit this coming time.
Basta wag lang gawin ni Jericho ulit yun, walang mangyari. No, okay kami ni Jericho. He played really well. I think he was the reason why Finals MVP siya. So, big part of them winning was Jericho's play. So, hopefully, hindi na ganun maganda shooting ni Jericho.
Jericho, when we hear something from out of that, Jericho's God.
Ayaw naman.
No comment.
Bahala na kung anong mangyayari sa game. Basta ako, lalaro ko yung laro ko. Tapos yung fire sa akin, ilalabas ko pa rin na kumaga, sabi ni Coach Jonas, huwag daw gagawin. Tingnan natin, makakagawa ko nito. Sabi na nakawari ko siya.
I leave it up to Sir Jerry to ask the juiciest